How to change autofill information on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change the autofill information on your iPhone? Then you're in the right place. First things first, you'll need to go to the phone app and then go to contacts, and then you'll see plus icon on the top right. Tap on it, and then you should put your autofill information that you want to in this new contact. So put in the name, the phone number that you want as the autofill, the mail that you want as the autofill, and hit done. Now what you need to do is go to your settings, scroll down, tap on apps, and then search for Safari. And then scroll down under general, tap on autofill and toggle on use contact info and tap on my info, and then search for the contact information that you just filled. And then from now on, the autofill information will use this contact information. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.